Jazz Time is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you'd buy a watch from jazztime.com. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 41 reference 126333 champagne diamond dial with an oyster bracelet. I'm going to talk to you guys about the case, the dial, the bezel, the bracelet, try it on, and give you a couple thoughts of mine. So let's dive right in. It's 41 millimeters. That means from my thumb to my index finger. It's the largest that Rolex makes in the Datejust model. They make a 28, 31, 36, and a 41. This would be for a men's size. It's the largest one they make. Okay? And that's 41 from my thumb to my index finger. Now moving on to the movement. This watch uses an upgraded movement from the older version, which was 116333. And this model replaces the Datejust 2 reference 116333. This is the Datejust 41 126333. And the difference in the movement is that the movement is a 3235 movement. That's the model number of that movement. It used to be a 3135, which was used for like I don't know, 20-30 years, but it's been improved. It used to be plus minus 7 seconds a day, and now it's plus 2 seconds a day. All right. Now I forgot to mention the case. It's 41, but it actually looks a little slimmer and sleeker than the older version. The older version being 116333. You can see because the lugs here, the lugs are a little bit skinnier, and proportionally Rolex has changed it to make it a little bit different from the Datejust 41, the older version. And another thing that has changed is the bezel. Now they both call it on their website Datejust. They say it's 18 karat yellow gold fluted bezel. But I've noticed, after seeing a lot of these, is that the bezel on the Datejust 41s look a little bit sharper, look a little bit skinnier, and have a nicer profile than the older Datejust 2. The older Datejust 2 bezels kind of looked clumsy in comparison. So it's a refinement that Rolex has made. They made the bezel look really nice. Now moving on to the bracelet, it's an oyster bracelet. Not much has changed on the oyster bracelet. But you can't use an older bracelet from a 116333 on here because they won't fit. It has like an extra notch in it. Now I'm showing you guys the clasp. It's still a oyster clasp, folding clasp, and the way it folds is just like this. And once you fold it, you see how the gold runs all the way through? It's nice, right? Gold down the center, brush polish on the outside. I think it looks really nice. And I like it with this champagne dial. It really makes it look seamless. It just looks like one piece. Looks great actually. Now let's talk about the dial. The dial is made in champagne. They currently make it champagne diamond, black diamond, and they make it MOP. They used to also make, I think, a different white color or ivory. They don't make that no more. So just these ones. It really looks good if you ask me. Now I'm going to try it on. Now if you like this video and you want to own this watch, click on the link in the description below. We offer the best price anywhere online, and we'd love for you to buy this watch from jazztime.com, Jaztime. Buy the watch from Jazz Time. Thanks.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.